Good morning. Welcome to TruckSmart Isuzu. My name is Carl. Today, I'd like to show you this brand new 2024 Isuzu NRR 16-foot stake body flatbed. This truck was built here at TruckSmart in our fabrication department. This was built on an Isuzu diesel NRR chassis. It's rated at 19,500 pound GVWR. Has a 7,275 pound front axle, 13,660 in the rear. It is powered by Isuzu's 5.2 liter 4HK diesel motor, mated to a 6-speed Aisin transmission. It is Isuzu's cab-over design, which gives you fantastic maneuverability in tight conditions and great sight line from the driver's seat to in front of the truck. Easy access for maintenance as the cab tilts forward, so it's easy to access the engine, transmission, and all the other items. This body is a 16-foot Swampy Hollow steel bed, stake body, flatbed, diamond plate floor for traction. It was built with a 36-inch buyer's underbody toolbox. Has 4 removable stake sections on each side. Driver's side has 5 adjusting winch straps for cargo control. That of course comes with a locking bar to bring them down tight. This truck also has 2 removable stake sections at the back, so you can take them all completely off. Easy to forklift load from any angle. This truck was built and equipped with a Palfinger ILP 2,500 pound Tuckaway liftgate. It is a steel platform. And over here, we have the locking bar for the straps as they come over the top. The Isuzu comes with a 3-year unlimited mileage warranty on the diesel models, and 5 years unlimited for roadside assistance. Come on inside and I'll show you some features in the cab. Welcome back. So back in the cab of the Isuzu NRR diesel, the truck is equipped with power steering, power brakes, anti-lock brakes, power windows, door locks, cruise control, tilt and telescopic steering column. The truck of course comes with air conditioning. This particular model was equipped with the 7-inch touchscreen and the backup camera, which automatically comes on when you go into reverse. This also has heated mirrors on the mirror heads, and a PTO switch in case you need an application where you're going to run a drive mechanism off the transmission. Again, 3-year unlimited mileage warranty on all Isuzu diesels. If you have any questions or would like more information, my name is Carl. My number is 215-828-1572. I'd be happy to help you. Thank you so much for your time today. Have a great day.